Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video. So today we are going to get a challenge from CSS Battle. So if you don't know, CSS Battle is kind of battle where everyone can participate and they can make things like the CSS challenge things. Okay, Kevin Powell, this is Kevin Powell and this is Web Simplified person, man, okay. So they are both famous. So they took a challenge from here and today I'm going to have a challenge, have a look in their website, so how this is work, and you can try this on yourself, try on your own, and also there is a website called Font and Mentor where you can build the real life font and stuff. There are two type of subscription. One is premium and another is premium. You can build both. So write challenges here and sort by not filtered by here. So there we have some premium options like free, and there is a premium on, and you can filter like newbies and your exact project what you are wanting to work with like this. And you, if you are a guru, then you can choose that. Okay, we don't have any APIs guru project, but with I think we have the intermediate project. Okay, URL sorting, API landing, something like that. Okay, IP tracker, that's good. You can practice yourself from here. And this is another platform, which is these two platforms are recommended from Coder YouTube channel. She was a doctor back then, and then she became a software engineer because she do not like her profession back there. Like you can see her journey from here, and if we okay, so if we go back, so if we can see like here in this website, if we go here, you can see there are lots of different kind of challenges in here. So we'll start from the basics because we don't know what is the things in here. So if we go to like challenge, where is the challenge page? Okay, so challenge page one. Okay, so this is challenge one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and this list is goes on and on. Okay, and these are the leaderboards. Okay, so if we click in here, okay, so we will see two slides, one of the three slides, one of our code slide and one of our the result side. And uh if we hover a mouse right here, you can see what are the expected result we should get, and which is this is the result we have to achieve. Okay, so in there we have the two colors. So let's pick the background on, and let's think how will you approach this problem on your own. And this same problem can we can solve with very different approach. Like I will do like this. This is the div. Okay, so I will uh, padding 0 and margin 0. Okay, then we will fill it like 200. Okay, is that okay? Yes, this is okay. And the background color should be this background around color should be this, and the box color would be this. Okay, so this is the result. Let's see what we will get. Press enter. Okay, let's see. Okay. This is our score. Okay, and what we get? Okay, we get 100% match. So good job. Okay, so you can also make this same slide by doing another stuff. Okay, what could we do? We can also do like body, not relative body. Let's have this body of what it is, basic our background. Let's just clear the background and change this position to absolute absolute, and oh my goodness, and make it left 0 and top 0, so that it will take the left full left corner and the top corner, and the box color would be, oh my, box color would be this. Okay, and it should take to each. Okay, so this is another approach. That's why there are very different ways and paths to solve a single problem. So you can see we have solved this problem in two way, and you can solve this problem another way. So this is why the CSS battles come in. Okay, keep trying and keep working hard to achieve your goal. Uh, okay, so will see you on the next one. Keep practicing, keep learning.